Which method of trade finance works better? Are you running an import and export business? Then, you will be aware of the different types of trade financing options available for traders. Do you need trade finance support to conclude your trade deals on time? But the question is, which method of import financing you require for your business? There are different types of trade financing options available, including letter of credit, standby letter of credit, bank guarantee. But the most popular method of payment used in international trade transaction is letter of credit. By using letter of credit as a payment term, the supplier will be assured that they will receive the payment on time once the goods are shipped to the destination port. On the other hand, the buyer will get the assurance that they will receive the goods as per the signed trade deal. Do you want to open letter of credit for your import deal? Is your bank demanding 100% cash margin? Submit your requirements to us. We can facilitate letter of credit on behalf of your company from rated European banks at zero collateral. For more info, email us support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us 97145519699. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487761. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.